Today I'm going to show you how to use the insert statements that are for the supplementary aids and services. So I'm in the IEP for Maple here under special factors and supplementary aids and assessments. And I'm going to scroll down to where we're going to put the supplementary aids and services in. So when you go to the three lines in the box here with the arrow below it, we're going to click on insert from statements bank. So when it opens up the statement bank, you're going to see public. Over in the category section, you're going to click on the arrow and scroll down to NC-RESA. This is where we have brought over most of the common used supplementary aids and services that were used in Illuminate, and we've adjusted them to fit the MiSPE language and the MiSPE way of inserting these supplemental aids. So for example, for Maple, we might want calculator use. So these are all alphabetical. I'm going to pick calculator use for the purpose of, and then that's going to insert right into the box. And so for her, calculator use is for the purpose of solving mathematical computation problems when computation is not being assessed. And then we would go over here into our frequency and timeline and add our information there. And it would be for all assignments and assessments requiring computation. So there we say for all assignments and assessments requiring mathematical computation, and then I can finish everything I need to. For this one, I've been typing in special education. That was already here for the special ed and gen ed classes, but I might want to be specific and put science and math. Science and math classes, so I know it's just for that. So again, I'm going to show you again how to use them, how to use the insert statements and access them. You would go to the three lines with the arrow below, insert, go over here, pick NC-RESA. And let's do another one. Let's say we want her to have a small group setting for tests. So I'm going to go to small group settings. It's right here. That is in there now. Small group setting during assessments for the purpose of reducing distractions. For the purpose of reducing distractions. And so that would be for all written assessments. So when I want to add more, again, you would add the arrow. And I'm going to add a couple more. I want to show you how the couple things in here. One thing you can do is as you're in here, you can print all the statements and then they will bring them up and you can print them or save them as a PDF so that you can go through them on your own just to give yourself time to become aware of them all. We're going to cancel that right now. And so for behavior plan, I want to show you that positive behavior support plan is in here a little different. And we've done this with quite a few of them where we've put the positive behavior support plan in here. So we have the implementation, and you would come in here and then describe for the purpose of what is your purpose of that, of your behavior plan. And then that would be a daily one. But then when you have that, you're saying it is defined in the positive behavior support plan that's reviewed and revised outside the IEP. So because we're saying that, we've also added this to remind us to do the positive behavior support plan review. So I'm going to find positive behavior support plan review by school team. And here I might then want to go in and specify who that is, special ed teacher, gen ed teacher, and maybe it's the ASD consultant. Together are the ones that are going over that behavior support plan. And then this one we would write how often. So maybe it's monthly, or for this one, I'm going to say for Maple, we need it every 4 to 6 weeks. We want to take time to review her plan. So hopefully that helps you access the insert statements, and these will help make writing IEPs a little bit more easier for you to do.